How's it going, guys? So what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be installing side splitters for the 350Z. So we already installed this side because I wanted to do it because I've never done it, so I wanted to figure out how to do it and then like kind of go like with you guys and do it. So on this side, so we got them and they didn't come with any holes because that's what you get for like cheaper splitters. So we had to drill some holes in it. So they're carbon splitters, but they're like the universal ones. So we had to cut them to the size, which is pretty easy, but I mean it turns out super nice. I mean, you guys can see them. There's like very nice details and stuff. I don't know, I really like the way it looks. So see if I can show you guys how it kind of looks on this side. So on this side, look. It looks super, like, I don't know, it just looks more aggressive in my fucking part. It just looks so nice. Like, look at that. So once I lower it, like once we put it down on the floor, it's gonna look clean. But for now, that's what we're gonna be doing. So right now what we're gonna do is put this side splitter. So it's a 3-part splitter. So there's these 3 parts right here. So 1, 2, and 3. And then we have to bolt them on and hopefully they don't fall off. Alright, so the only thing we're gonna do right here is make sure that this is flush with this. Usually when you buy ones that are meant for the car, you don't have to deal with all of this, but like these were universal ones, so it is what it is, right? So we're gonna have to go for it. There's one.
So I don't even know if it's recording or not, but ooh, got the side splitters.
The carbon.
Sheesh.
Fuck.
God damn. Side check.
Fuck.
You good? Jeez. Oh fuck! Fuck!
Jeez, let's see what it looks like.
Let me know.
Alright, go. You go. It got stuck in there. Oh yeah, I see right there. Oh, that was actually not.
It looks nice.
Bro, that thing looks nice. Look at that. Damn.
It looks nice.
Fuck. That's so clean. Look at this other Z right here. Damn. The lip. The wheels. Carbon. Jeez. He got the heart too. Got the heart going. No, this is clean. Alright guys, so this is what it turned out like. I mean, it's super clean. There's like this thing right here, like the splits, but that's normal. That's what's gonna happen. Other than that, everything else is pretty good on the car. I mean, look at this side. It looks pretty flush, if that makes sense. So yeah, So if you guys like that video, please leave a like and subscribe. I will be posting more videos, and just follow me, and we'll probably gonna wrap the car. I've been saying that for a while now, but I do want to wrap it. I'm just not 100% sure what color I should wrap it. But comment down below what I should do to the car before I wrap it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.